we have a next question, question number 4 on the screen, that is offsprings formed due to sexual reproduction have better chances of survival. Why? And is this statement always true? So this question contains 3 parts. First part of this question is asking or telling that offsprings produced from sexual kind of reproduction are better adapted or they have better chances of survival in the environment. Second part of this question is asking why. Why? What is the reason behind the better chances of survival of offsprings produced from sexual reproduction? And the third part of question this contains, is this statement always true? What the statement is talking about, what this question is actually talking about the statement. The statement given in the first part of this question, that is offsprings formed due to sexual reproduction have better chances of survival. This statement is always true or not? This question is asking in the third part of this question. Now, if we talk about that the offsprings produced from the sexual reproduction have better chances of survival in their environment, yes, of course. The offsprings produced from sexual reproduction have better chances of survival in their environment because sexual reproduction involves the fusion of 2 different types of gametes. Sexual reproduction involves the fusion of different types of gametes, that is male gamete and female gamete, coming from different members, different individuals of the same species. Species must be same in sexual reproduction. Alright, this has to be remembered that species should be same. If we are talking about sexual reproduction, there will be different types of gametic formation and the fusion of gamete will happen in sexual reproduction, but the species will be same. The male gamete, the female gamete coming from different individuals must be belongs to the same species. So sexual reproduction involves the formation and fusion of 2 different types of gametes coming from different individuals of the same species. This fusion allows the formation of variant individual or variant member by combining the different DNA, from different individuals. This makes or this allows genetic variation in offspring or new individual. This is why when any organism or any offspring produced from sexual reproduction will have genetic variation, and these variation help that offspring or individual to better adapt in the environment, and hence it will have, or the offspring will have better chances of survival in the environment. If we talk about asexual reproduction, in some organism or in certain organisms, asexual reproduction is better. Asexual reproduction is better because asexual reproduction does not take much or long time to produce offspring as compared to sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is a lengthy process. Alright, it is a lengthy process, whereas asexual reproduction is not a lengthy process, it is not a long process. Also, asexual reproduction happens quickly and produces offspring of its similar kind. So, the statement given on the screen that offsprings formed due to sexual reproduction have better chances of survival, yes, they have better chances of survival, but this statement is not always true. This statement is not always true, because for certain organisms, organisms or individuals, asexual reproduction is more advantageous because it is not a tedious process, it is not a long process, and they can make offsprings quickly and for sure. So if we want to write the answer, then the offsprings produced from sexual reproduction have better chances better chances of survival as the sexual reproduction involves the fusion of two different gametes coming from different individuals of same species, and this allows the variation, this allows the formation of variant member, this allows the formation of variant member by combining different DNA, during the process of reproduction, all right. This is why they have better chances of survival in their environment. But the statement given on the screen, the statement given in the question that offsprings produced from sexual reproduction have better chances of survival, this statement is not always true. The statement is not always true. As for certain organisms, asexual reproduction is more advantageous because it consumes less energy, and time as compared to sexual reproduction. So I hope you all are clear with the answer of this question, that yes, the offsprings produced from sexual reproduction have better chances of survival in their environment, but the statement is not always true, because for certain organisms asexual kind of reproduction is more advantageous. Alright, why? Because asexual reproduction consumes less energy and less time as compared to the sexual reproduction. If we talk about the reason behind that, why the offsprings produced from sexual reproduction have better chances, because the kind of sexual reproduction is an advanced type of reproduction and it involves the fusion of two different types of gamete which produces variation in the offspring, and these variations are actually helping the offsprings to adapt in their environment in a better way, and hence they have better chances of survival in their environment. So this is the complete solution of question number 4.